हेलो स्टूडेंट, हम फ्रैक्शन पढ़ रहे थे और चैप्टर इज फ्रैक्शन। दिस इज़ योर नेक्स्ट वीडियो। पिछले वीडियो में हमने कवर किया था प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन, इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन, मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन और उसके क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए थे। नाउ वी विल सी द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, दैट इज इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन एंड सिंप्लीफिकेशन ऑफ अ फ्रैक्शन। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। फ्रैक्शन का एक और फॉर्म, फ्रैक्शन हैज अनदर फॉर्म, दैट अनदर टाइप, यू कैन से इट a next type of the fraction which is known as equivalent fraction. What is the equivalent fraction? How can we understand this? See, we have this shape and this one. Okay, this shape is divided in two equal parts. This shape is divided in 4 parts. This shape is divided in 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 parts. Okay, now we will shed this portion, we will shed this portion, we will shed this portion. Okay, so as I have already told you, what is the fraction for this figure, for the shaded region, that is selected shaded upon total, shaded upon total, 1 upon 2. Once again, here is again shaded to total 4, again 3 upon 6, 1 upon 2, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 6. ठीक है? So now, are they equal? Are they equal? No, it is not equal. Why? It is divided in 2 parts, it is divided in 4 parts, it is divided in 6 parts. How can is it possible that they are equal? So what are they? They are equivalent. See, the shaded portion in each figure, the shaded portion in each figure are equal. Means we have selected the similar thing in these figures. Okay, we have selected the similar things in each figure. So it is 1 upon 2, it is 2 upon 4, it is 3 upon 6. See, 1 just double 2, 2 just double 4, 3 just double 6. They all have maintained equal selection. Okay, they all have maintained equal selection. So these are the equivalent fractions, 1 upon 2, 2 upon 4 and 3 upon 6. 1 upon 2, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 6. They all are the equivalent fraction. Now the question is, हमें हमेशा तो फिगर दिया नहीं होगा कि हम फिगर देखकर तुरंत कर देंगे कि इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन दिया, सबका फिगर देख लिया हमने, ठीक है। Now the shaded portion is equal in each and every figure. So these are all are the equivalent figure. So हम इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन कैसे निकालेंगे और इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन अगर दिया है तो पहचानेंगे कैसे, ये सब हम देखते हैं, ठीक है। सो लेट्स सी व्हाट विल हैपन। ठीक है, ओके, we have 1 upon 2. Okay, we have 1 upon 2. Now we have to write equivalent fraction of the 1 upon 2. So we will multiply to the numerator and the denominator, with the same digit, like 2 and 2. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 upon 4. Okay, again 1 upon 2 into 3 into 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, again 1 upon 2 into 4 into 4. Same digit will be multiplied to the numerator and as well as denominator, which is equals to 4 upon 8. Again 1 upon 2 into 5 into 5, which is equals to 5 upon 10. Again 1 upon 2 into 6 into 6, which is equals to 6 upon 12. So 1 upon 2, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 6, 4 upon 8, 5 upon 10, 6 upon 12. They all are the equivalent fraction for the 1 upon 2. Why? Because of we have multiplied these same digits with the 1 upon 2. In this manner, we can find out the equivalent fraction of any fraction by the multiplying of same digit to the numerator and the denominator. Okay, so this is the method to find out the equivalent fraction. Now, how can we identify that given set of fraction is equivalent fraction or not? Okay, see. See, if we have 1 upon 2 and 5 upon 10. Now question is these set of fraction is equivalent fraction or not? So, very simple method, just cross multiply. Okay, this denominator will be multiplied with this one and this 2 will be multiplied with this 5. If we get the equal answer, then this fraction 1 upon 2 and 5 upon 10 are the equivalent fraction. Okay, otherwise they are not the equivalent fraction. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so see, 10 into 1 and 5 into 2. 10 into 1 is 10 and 5 into 2 is 10. Both are equal. Both are equal. That means it indicates that 1 upon 2 and 5 upon 10 are the set of equivalent fraction. Okay. Okay. So, okay. Now we know that how to find the equivalent fraction and how to find the set of fraction is equivalent or not. Okay. Now we will move to the next topic, that is simplification of fraction. Okay. Simplification of the fraction. Simplification. Okay, so what is the simplification? Simplification is just simplify the fraction. How can we do that? See, if we have, we can take one example. Example is 250 upon 160. छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल ले लेते हैं, ठीक है। छोड़िए, इसको हटाइए। यहाँ पर हम ले आते हैं 750, थोड़ा बड़ा करते हैं 250 upon 750. Now we have to simplify this fraction. So first of all, here is the total use of divisibility test. Okay, as I have told you, those numbers which are divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, they all have the conditions, so we have to check for that. This is the very easiest method to solve these kind of questions. Okay, so let's see how can we do that. First of all, we will start from a smaller one, that is 2. So 2 will divide those number which has at the unit place even number including with 0, means 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so let's see it will divide or not. So 2 will divide, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 15, 2 5 ja 10. Again 2 3 ja 6, 2 7 ja 14, 2 5 ja 10. Okay, so now we have 125 upon 375 after dividing by 2. So you don't have to cut this. Okay, you will just write it here, divided by 2 divided by 2. Okay, now is it your simplified form of this fraction? No. Now we will solve it again. with the same method. Okay, we will check for 2. It will not divide 125 and 375. See, we have to choose those number which will divide both of the numerator and denominator as well. So we will check for 3. So what is the condition for the divisibility from the 3? See, 125 upon 375. So divisibility condition for 3, sum of the digits will be divisible by 3. So 2 plus 1, 3, 5 plus 3, 8. 8 is not divisible by 3, so we will not take the 3. Now we have seen that unit place has 5, so we can choose 5. Okay, so both have the 5 at the unit place, so we can easily divide with 5 both of them. Okay, so it will become 5 2, 5 5, 5 7, 35, and 5 5. Again 5 upon 5 and 5, 5 5. Again 1 3 divided by 5 divided by 5. Here is 5, here is 15, it will become 1 upon 3. Now, it is a prime and this one is also prime. Prime number are those number which are not divisible by any other number except itself. हम वो खुद ही को काट देते हैं, ठीक है, 1 upon 3. Okay, so 1 upon 3 is the simplified form of 250 upon 750. This is the last one. ठीक है, इन शॉर्ट आप ऐसे समझ लो, 250 अपॉन 750 को हम तब तक काटते रहेंगे जब तक वो कटना ना बंद हो जाए. ठीक है, जैसे ही वो कटना बंद हो जाए हमारा आंसर आ जाता है. जब तक वो कटता रहता है हमारा आंसर नहीं आता है. ओके, सो होप यू नो your doubt is clear for the simplification. How can we do that? We will just divide by the number and until we will not get the set of prime number like 1 upon 3. Okay, so this is the whole video. Now we will do the questions and try to do by your own self because lecture is complete. Thanks for watching.